So guys, we have created utility providing option for your token. So your token now can be not just a meme coin, actually have a burning mechanism, reward system, and let me show you how you set it up, because I posted the other day but people are just like confused. So I said, okay, I will do it today. And just want to let you know, I'm extremely tired today. I had a sunburn, plus I had to drive 6 hours. So just if I'm talking a little bit slower than usual, please, bear with me. So basically, if you come in to project.soltool.io, I haven't listed it on our main website. First of all, we're gonna be changing design very soon, so that's another thing, but I just haven't listed it anywhere because it's in the beta version. We just launched it recently, like other day, actually yesterday. So it's just here right now on the project.soltool.io. So anyway, if you go into this link, then you can create, let's say, utility for your token. So let's start and let me create it basically, so you understand. So for the username, I'll just put like my name, or we can put actually SolTools. Tool.io. I want to put SolTools. I actually wanted to buy that domain, but it's not available. Anyway, then for the coin and token name, so basically if you don't have a token yet, you go into soltool.io and you can create the cheapest token on the market if you're launching on Raydium. So you can create it right here, and as you can see, 0.068 Sol. It's very, very cheap right now, so that's the cheapest in the market as it gets. So you can create that. When you have it, then you're probably gonna have a name for it. So let's say I'm gonna call mine Sol Tool. Then email. Now for the email, as it says here, email is optional, but without valid 1Password recovery will require you to contact support, meaning me or one of my developers. So basically, crypto guys, I know you don't like to put any emails, you like to keep everything private. That's the main reason why I created an email optional thing. But if you forget your password, then you will have to contact us. Of course, you can contact us right here, as you can see, chat with us and blah 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 and so on, so we can recover your account. Now, so let's say we create a fake one, like I will do now. So let's say now at, let's say, soltool.io. I don't even have this. And then password. Let's create a password. So I created this to be super easy to sign up, not too much info needed from the customer itself. So it's easy enough. Let's sign up. Okay, so now we are in the dashboard. Before you get your project up, now we have to set up basically a profile for your token. So let's choose an image, recent, let's say, let's make, I don't know, this one, cheapest token creation on Solana, as we are right now. Here you can find social links. So let's say for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna add, so I can show you afterwards where it's gonna show up. So I'll just leave it there. By the way, you don't have to save profile when you enter the links. You should save it only when you filled out everything completely. So token address. Now you need to have a token address. Of course, you probably will know your own token address, but for me right now, for this video, I don't have it, and so I'm just gonna put random token address, whatever. It doesn't matter, but of course you need to fill out your own one. Now, burning rate. Here's the thing. we have a burning mechanism, so it means there is going to be a guessing game. I will explain it later as we go into the video, but you have to preset how much you want to burn tokens for every correct guess that people will do. So I would set, because mostly you will create 1 billion tokens. I suggest always to keep at least 30-40% of the token. I know you say this is way too much, but look guys, any person that creates a token, they will do a sneaky way, will buy from, will either share between wallets or buy with multiple wallets. They will always have at least 40%, even if they say it or they don't say it. There's always insiders. So why would you lie something about it? Just create a token with and put in 600 million tokens in to the pool and keep 40% for yourself for all these games and utility things, you know, and so on. And plus marketing, you need all these things you need. If you're not dodgy person, you definitely need that. So yeah, so then let's say I'll create 30,000. I will burn 30,000 per each correct guess. Now you can select your time zone. In future we will do a little bit different this part, but at the moment this is how it works. So basically they need to guess. Basically this part is, you set your time zone when you are awake. So you can set the time. This is a timing basically for people to guess basically Solana price at this hour every Friday. So I will show you in the next page. It will make more sense. Let me just set it up for now, like just like that. So it will be more easier in the next page. You will understand way easier. Okay, so let's say we're gonna set PM, let's say 3 p.m. UTC, let's say, I don't know, let's say London time zone, whatever you want time zone to be. Now, SOL reward amount. So for the best performing people that guesses the most correct guesses in a week, you can reward them. Now you can set this, it's optional, but you can set it. If you set it up, you will have to reward people every week for getting the most correct guesses. Only one winner will be selected. But anyway, I'll show you as we go ahead. So let's say I'm gonna set that we're gonna reward every week one winner, the best performer, basically 0.5 SOL. Okay, you can set it 0.1, whatever is your budget, you know. Maybe you set it to 0, maybe you just have a burning mechanism, that's all. So, and this area, all guesses, will show up afterwards. I'm gonna show you that as well. So let's save the profile right now and let's go ahead to the next page I want to show you. Now you save the profile, everything is saved. Now we go live. We click go live. Sorry, just my face is in the way. So basically you just take this URL, or you can just click copy. You can share it on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever. So then we go into the next page and we go into our profile. Just give it a second, my internet's a little bit slow today. Okay, so here we have it. So now you have almost like your own website. As you can see, you would have your own token address, token image. As well, you would have your own name. As well, you have a burning rate showing up. Your profile, so if you're creating a lot of good projects, you have a lot of community, people will eventually, I will create one thing that people will be able to follow your profile, as in if you're a great developer and so on. So they will follow you and they might want to see the tokens you create, basically, or whatever. So anyway, we'll have few other options. So right now it's in the beta version, so you know it's not gonna be everything as it should be when it's fully done, but it's close enough. So let's say there's your wallet, not a wallet token address supposed to be. We will change that ASAP. But by the time you're gonna check this video, it's gonna be already fixed. We probably just misspelled that. It's supposed to be token address. Anyway, your token address right here. Now, here's the play, predict, and burn. Join a weekly guessing game and get the chance to win 0.5 SOL. So whatever you have set it in the previous page, that's how much you're gonna let people know that you're giving away that amount. Test your luck, submit your answer, and you could be our next winner. So yeah, so now it says predict Solana price for upcoming Friday at 3 p.m. Now we let people to guess every 24 hours a price of Solana for upcoming Friday. So probably, well, today is Friday as I'm making this video, it probably won't make sense, but I suppose for the next week. So what they do is they say, okay, right now is Solana is at 121. I'm gonna guess that it's gonna be 134 USD basically. And you can put your name, so you can be username, nickname, whatever, it doesn't matter. So the person who is guessing the guessing game, they can put whatever they want, but I suppose let's say my name. Okay, so let's put that, and then you put in your wallet address, because if you are the winner, then as you are a utility provider and you are launching this game, basically you need to know who to send the 0.5 Solana to if he is the winner. So they put in their wallet address. It's not dangerous to put wallet address because it's not your private keys. It's not something that somebody can do. The only thing that they can do is actually send you free money. So yeah, so that's basically it. So you would know your own wallet address. Maybe you're running on Phantom wallet or whatever wallet. Basically you put your Solana wallet. And so let's say we're putting random. Okay, now it says, here as well how to participate, guess Solana price, blah blah blah, burning mechanism. As you see, we set 30,000 that we burn for every correct guess, exclusive to the holders. Look, right now we put this as default. It's in the beta version. Afterwards you will be able to select if you want only your holders of your coin can participate in this game, or anybody can participate in this game, whatever works. But I suggest to let only your token holders to play this game. So now we're gonna just do a guess, submit a guess. So we have submitted a guess. As you can see, leaderboard. So I am here, I'm the first one to guess, and my guess is this, and my wallet ending with this, and the time. So now that's where you start to get people to interact, because now they not only that they're gonna burn your token, they as well have a chance to win 0.5 SOL. So why would they not try to play this every day? And this what makes your coin as a utility. Now you have a burning mechanism, you have reward system. I know it's a small game, but there's nobody offering this that easy. Basically, you almost created your own website with all the information needed. As you can see, contact us on Discord, Telegram, nice design. We will create multiple more designs afterwards in the future, but at the moment this is the in the beta version, this is the one that is gonna stay for now. But anyway, so people come in and now they can guess Solana price, and you can see it's live, showing live. So everybody's like, okay, looking at the chart, I'm trying to guess, maybe I will win. Happy days. So now it gets people interacting. Plus, now there's more interest for people to actually participate in your coin. So now let's say the Friday came, and next Friday. So you looked over, you said, okay, at 3 p.m. my price was whatever. I don't know what price of Solana was, but whatever. So then you would go into your profile, and you can, if you refresh it here, it shows who was guessing. So that's me. So now you can set me like, okay, there will be a lot of more people, of course, doing the guessing game. So let's say this where I was talking in my previous videos. At the moment, we have that you will have to do it kind of manually. Look over, like, okay, the Solana was 134, yeah, and then you will have to maybe go through it and see who guessed it right, and see how many guys, same person with the same wallet, gets the most correct times, over the period of the week. Now, let me explain something. This is right now manual, so every Friday you would need to sit down and actually do a little bit of work, like, maybe 20 minutes, 15 minutes going through to select the correct winner, so on. So it is manual part right now, but we are working right now to make it automatic. So it will show all the who's the winner. They will already show who's the winner. It will show how many guesses was correct. So everything will be automated afterwards. But right now, that's where we got right now. It takes time to develop whatever we build right now. It's from scratch. It's not created on WordPress. It's nothing. It's from scratch. So it takes time to implement everything and think through everything. So just make sure that this is a beta version and this is how it is for the moment. Later we'll advance it. So right now, let's say I'm the one who guessed it right, and I want to set myself as a winner. Well, let's pretend that it's not me but someone else. So I set a winner, and then it says enter the reward amount. So basically the idea is, maybe if nobody guessed it right and the one that got it closest to the point, maybe you have some system where you can say, okay, I was supposed to give 0.5 SOL, but nobody guessed it right. So now I'm going with the closest person that guessed it closest to the price. I'm gonna give him 0.2 Solana instead of 0.5 because he didn't get it right, but he was close. So let's go and we set the winner. And there you go. We set the winner with a 0.2 SOL. Now, if we go into the website, your page, we refresh it, and now you can see this board here comes up. Win weekly rewards. Last week's winner. Username. As you can see, wallet address. So people can actually check that you actually did send that funds to this person because he was the winner. So people can, see that you're legit. Simple as that. And it says the winner has most correct guesses predicted over last week. 0.2 SOL. Here you go. So this is our little utility providing option. Basically, it creates you a page with a burning mechanism and basically a little game playing with Solana. I specifically wanted to be with Solana because we're all in Solana, developing everything for Solana. So I just wanted that guessing game will be predicting Solana. Now, people might be following the person who guessed it most correct times, predicts well the Solana as well. So, that's cool thing as well to follow on. But anyway, so that's about it. I think for now. I think that's where we stand. Just want to let you know as well that if you're creating with the same email, you cannot create with the same email another account. If you create it with one email right now account, it's gonna stay for this token only. Every single token you create, or you launching this utility, you have to create a new email or have new email, or you can put a fake one if you wanted to. Reason is because we're still in the beta version. We didn't later on we're gonna have, when you're gonna go into your dashboard, we're gonna have an option right here at the top somewhere to select from your previous created projects. So you can select any of them and edit them, you know. So, but right now we don't have that. We're working, you know, like we're doing a lot of things. I just want to let you know we're still working a lot of work going into the games, because we are creating Solana skill game hub related with Solana, so people will be able play skill games, those simple, you know, jumping with the ball or something like that. Like we have multiple games, we already have 5. They're gonna be playing between each other, and whoever gets the higher score, these games will be very quick, you know, like 1 minute max or so, and whoever gets the higher score wins Solana. So one person puts in, let's say, 1 Solana, another person puts 1 Solana, and the winner wins 0. Let's say 6 Solana, and we take 0.4 because we of course have to get some money to run the whole operation. I mean, the servers, the everything, the, you know, like, and we cannot work for free. So yeah, we're not pushing our token to be like we haven't launched our official token yet, so we're not making, and we're not looking to make money from the token itself. We're actually trying to make money from providing like things like this, you know, utility option, games, and cheapest token creation and everything like that. So yeah guys, that's that for now, and I see you in the next video when we maybe update this bit better, we make new changes. I'll let you know, and you can use this for free right now. Later on we will add some small price, a very small price for it, because of course we have to pay for the servers. As I say, you cannot run this all for free. As more people join, of course it gets more pricey to run, you know. So yeah guys, all right, I see you in the next video guys. Peace.